In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the sales tax report in Wave. To start, open your Wave dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, find the Reports option and click on it. Once you are on the Reports page, scroll down to the Taxes section. Here you will see the Sales Tax Report option. Click on it and you will be directed to the sales tax page. The first step is to select the date range for your report. You can choose a full year, part of a year, a month, or any specific period. After selecting your desired dates, click Update Report. The main section of this report is divided into sales and purchases. The first column shows the tax type labeled for each line. The next column, Sales Subject to Tax, displays the total amount of money on which the tax was calculated, not the tax itself. The following column, Tax Amount on Sales, shows the taxes applied to your sales, including a net total below. The next two columns relate to Tax Amount on Purchases, which display the amounts and taxes for any business purchases. Note that if you are in the United States, these fields may show 0 because the recoverable tax option is generally unavailable there. At last, you will see the Net Tax Owing section, showing how much tax you owe on all transactions. Next, the starting balance indicates the amount of tax owed before the selected date, followed by the net tax owing, and then less payments to government, which reflects any tax payments already made within the selected period. Finally, the ending balance shows the total net tax owed to the tax authorities after accounting for payments. If you wish to save or export this report, you can click the Export option to download it as a CSV or PDF file. This is how you can view the sales tax report in Wave.